Hey everyone, we're going to solve a tan problem that my students are asking me to help them with. So, okay, the problem is actually this one. It's 3 tan of 4 theta equals -3. And you want to solve it on the interval 0 to 2 pi. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by 3, and I get tan of 4 theta equals -1. What I'm going to do is solve for theta. If this were theta, then my theta would be tan is -1 at 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. So since we don't have theta, we have 4 theta, we're going to set 4 theta equals 3 pi over 4 plus tan is only, the period is pi, so pi times k, or k pi, and 4 theta equals 7 pi over 4 plus pi times k, or k pi. Now divide everything by 4 and you get theta equals 3 pi over 16 plus pi over 4k. And similarly, we have 7 pi over 16 plus pi over 4k. Now, we want everything in between 0 and 2 pi, and with my denominator being 16, I know I can go from 0 to 32 pi over 16, because that equals 2 pi, and it can't equal it. Sorry about that. Bless you. So what we're going to do is go ahead and use these two when k is 0. We get 3 pi over 16, and over here we get 7 pi over 16. Now when k is 1, we're going to get 3 pi over 16 plus pi over 4. And this one's going to be 7 pi over 16 plus pi over 4. Well, in this case, this will be 3 pi over 4 over 16 plus, and we want a common denominator 16. So this is going to be, for the 4 times 16 is 4. So this is going to be 4 pi over 16. This is going to be 7 pi over 16 plus 4 pi over 16. So what we get is 7 pi over 16 here, which is what we already had. So this one we didn't really need. In fact, we didn't even need to really write this general solution. But this one's going to be 11 pi over 16. Alright, so let's try it again and let k equal 2. At k equals 2, we get 3 pi over 16 plus 2 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 16 plus 2 pi over 4. Well, this one's just going to be 3 pi over 16. Put that at the common denominator. So it's going to be 8 pi, which gives us the 11 pi over 16 that we already have. And this one's going to be 7 pi over 16 plus 8 pi over 16, which gives us 15 pi over 16. So basically our solutions so far are 3 pi over 16, 7 pi over 16, 11 pi over 16, and 15 pi over 16. And at this stage, you can see a pattern. So we're going to go all the way up. It's close to 32 pi over 16. We can see that we're just adding the 4 pi. From here to here, it's 4 pi. So it's just going to be 19 pi over 16. Add 4 again, you get 23 pi over 16. Add, and I'm not meaning 4 pi. I'm just saying we're just doing our numerators here. We get 27 pi over 16. And then 31 pi over 16. And we can't go any further because that would make us go over 32 pi over 16. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 solutions here. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.